How to share a screen on a WhatsApp video call. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Now go ahead and open any chat from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the video call icon to video call this contact. On this screen, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the three dots as shown. Now, tap on Share Screen. Everything on your screen, including notifications, will be shared. You can enable Do Not Disturb to prevent unexpected notifications. You can stop sharing whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily share a screen on a WhatsApp video call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.